Are you searching for a mobility scooter that is foldable and easily transportable? Perhaps you are searching for one that is lightweight and airline friendly? Now, for some of these folding scooters, it is not a problem to be taken on an airplane because they are TSA-approved mobility scooters. However, not all folding mobility scooters are approved for airline travel, so that is important to keep in mind. Many people just want something that can easily fold up for simple storage and transport. That is exactly what these type of mobility scooters were made for. HandyScoot 3-wheel folding travel scooter. Staying on topic, another lightweight foldable mobility scooter is the HandyScoot. This unit is a newcomer to the mobility scooter market that is making waves in this industry. The main reason is that it is extremely lightweight. The lithium battery weighs just 4 pounds, and once the seat is removed, the heaviest piece weighs just 29 pounds. This scooter is also TSA approved and is great for airline travel. To transport, simply remove the seat, fold the tiller down, and snap it into place, and then you can easily lift the unit if you are capable of lifting 29 pounds. Despite being so lightweight, it offers a 350 pounds weight capacity, has a battery range of 15 miles per charge, and has a top speed of 9 miles per hour. If a customer is looking for a lightweight and portable mobility scooter, the HandyScoot is usually one I will suggest to them. Backed by their 2-year warranty, you can have peace of mind when purchasing this unit. The FreeRider brand makes a line of scooters called the Luggie. They are all just about the same in design, but have different weight capacities. One that I particularly like, and is their top-selling fold-up scooter, is the Luggie Classic. Once you remove the battery, the unit weighs just 52 pounds. The Luggie Classic has a 250 pounds weight capacity and offers a 10-mile battery range. This unit is also TSA approved and is safe to take on an airplane. This mobility scooter can fold up in seconds and can be wheeled behind you like a piece of luggage, similar to a few of the other units I have described above. The Luggie Classic was specifically made for foldability and travel. It has a tiller that is height adjustable and the tires are flat free, so you don't have to worry about flats or scuffing up your flute. FreeRider has been in business for over 25 years and distributes their products in over 20 countries. EWheels Transport Plus folding mobility scooter. The Transport Plus is the sister scooter to the Transport AF and is another product of the EWheels product line. The frame is a little different, but the primary difference is that this unit does not have the remote fob that folds and unfolds the unit, hands-free. However, don't be fooled by that. This unit has a total weight of 70 pounds, however, once the battery is removed, it weighs just 46 pounds. You have the choice of 2 battery types for this unit. One is a slaw-sealed lead acid, which is airline approved. There is also a lithium-ion battery that weighs 14 pounds as opposed to 24 pounds. Keep in mind, the lithium-ion is not TSA-friendly. This unit has 3 different color choices, a seat that folds, and the unit itself and fold up in seconds with just 3 easy steps. If you don't need the remote fob that gives you the folding feature, you can save money by purchasing the Transport Plus for a unit that has a 10 to 15 mile battery range and is compact for easy storage and travel. V8 iLiving foldable electric mobility scooter. One of the up-and-coming brands in the mobility industry is iLiving USA. They design a multitude of products but are making waves in this space. Another product that we had to add to this list is the all-new V8 foldable mobility scooter. And there are several reasons why I have added this product to this list. One of which is that this unit weighs just 40 pounds with the battery included. Not only that, this unit can easily fold in just 2 simple steps. This scooter weighs just 40 pounds but can hold up to an impressive 275 pounds of weight. We have a great relationship with iLiving USA and I can personally vouch their products are superior to most others in this space and their technical support is top-notch. Important to note, this scooter has been nominated as a CES 2020 Innovation Awards honoree. You can become one of the first to ride on this beauty. Are you looking for a portable mobility scooter that folds up easily and even has an optional hard shell carry case that's great for flying? The Merit's Health 5542 Yoga folding 4-wheel scooter folds up in seconds and you can roll it around on its own wheels. This fantastic scooter is fun to drive and it's perfect for anyone who loves to travel. The Yoga S542 weighs only 53 ibs. This gives you extreme portability. It's so light almost anyone can lift it. Just grab the handle in the middle of the foot platform and effortlessly fold the scooter in half. It folds up small enough to fit in the trunk of most cars, and it fits easily in all trucks and SUVs. In fact, when it's folded, the Yoga is about the size of a suitcase. The Meritz Health S542 Yoga folding 4-wheel scooter for sale has a great driving range. A powerful 11.5 Ah Li-ion battery lets you drive at 4 miles per hour, and you can ride for 11.25 miles on a full charge. Lithium-ion batteries are very light, and this battery pack weighs under 4 pounds. The battery easily attaches under the seat for transport and storage. With high ground clearance and an excellent turning radius, the Yoga S542 is a versatile scooter that's great for indoor or outdoor use. Effortlessly navigate around the house and enjoy smooth outdoor riding. Introducing the EWheels UM49. This state-of-the-art luxury wheelchair offers over 25 features, which propels it into a category of its own. Of all of the multitude of features this power chair offers, there are several that separate this unit and proves that it is built for comfort. This versatile wheelchair comes with dual adjustable folding armrests that lift up or extend outward to give the user the best comfort position for their needs. One feature that really sets apart this power chair from others in its class is its digital smart control panel joystick. It allows the rider to quickly and easily change wheelchair settings with a simple push of the button. It is way ahead of what many of the competitors have developed, and if you like all the bells and whistles on your mobility device, you will love this aspect of the unit. Without a doubt, you will have a hard time finding an intelligent folding power wheelchair that offers better value when you factor in all of the standard features this unit offers. This chair can be folded into compact size of 18.9 liters x 24.4 watts x 34.61 I. You also have the ability to customize this chair to your comfort level, and it is made by one of the brands in the mobility industry, EWheels. Are you looking for a travel mobility scooter that is easy to travel with and break down? How about one with a unique look that is sure to get compliments? Look no further than the Supascooter Shopper Travel Mobility Scooter. Electric Wheelchairs USA has recently partnered with the manufacturer, Supascooter, to bring you their line of amazing products. The Shopper Travel Scooter is manufactured with aluminum and stainless steel, making it a durable unit that is long-lasting. It has 4 8-wheels which provide more stability, but also let you drive smoothly outdoors. This portable mobility scooter can be disassembled in a few pieces in just seconds and does not require the need of any tools to do this. Weighing only 49 pounds in total, the Shopper is one of the lightest scooters on the market today. Not only that, this unit airline approved as well. When broken down, the frame and front wheel section weigh only 30 pounds, which makes it easy to transport. You can easily put this unit into the trunk of your vehicle or in the back seat. So maintaining your active lifestyle is now easier than ever. This lightweight folding 3-wheel scooter by Atto Trike is manufactured with a combination of airplane-grade aluminum and carbon fiber. This allows the scooter to only weigh in at 34 pounds, so it is easy to transport. These components give the Atto Trike a great quality and has a design that minimizes its weight while giving the scooter a performance unlike others in its class. All parts are custom and make this Trike one of a kind. The Atto Trike offers a top speed of 7.7 miles per hour, so you can get to your destination in a snap. Not only that, with an impressive 18 to 20 miles battery range, you can be sure to use this scooter all day long. Additionally, when it's time to recharge the battery, you only need 4 hours and you will be back up and running quickly. This lightweight folding scooter has a low center of gravity, making it very stable, and it can accommodate most riders. This innovative and unique scooter is notably designed for strength and portability. No other scooter that operates off of a lithium-ion battery has an appearance and design like this scooter. The seat has a lot of cushion for added comfort, and with its tight turning radius, you can be sure to get around those tight corners ease. The weight capacity is 300 pounds and is great on most surfaces including gravel and light grass. Moving Life Atto Folding Mobility Scooter. The last folding mobility scooter that I have added to this list is the Atto by Moving Life. This unit is very luxurious, and I like to refer to it as the Tesla of mobility scooters. It folds up so beautifully and into the size of a carry-on suitcase. The fluidity of the movement when you accelerate is very smooth, and once you ride it, you will see exactly why I like it. It only takes about 4.5 hours to fully charge this unit, which is very fast compared to other mobility scooters on the market today. You can add armrests and customize the seat for added benefit and comfort. Additionally, this unit is airline approved and can be split into two easily manageable pieces, one weighing 27 pounds and the other piece weighing 37 pounds, and you can actually stow this unit overhead on your flight. If at any time you want to read more about these units, you can click on the links in the description of that video, and it will open the full description of the mobility scooter on a new page.